Good morning. Today we are going to discuss PHP basics. Here you can see the PHP basics. So here we are using the Xampp software for creating PHP applications. So Xampp supports PHP, MySQL with an Apache server. When you download and install Xampp in your local machine, by downloading that, automatically you will get these three things into your local machine. Okay, for this you can see you can get a htdocs folder. What are the things you have to remember in the installation process or htdocs? So after installing Xampp in your system, it will be created in your C folder with the name of Xampp. So you can find all these things whatever got installed in your system at the time of installation. So the main important folder which you have to remember is htdocs. So htdocs is the folder where all the PHP applications has to be placed. Then only they are able to be executed. Okay. So now we are going to the browser. Whenever the PHP has been installed in your system, that will work with a host name of localhost. Your local host name is localhost. By default, localhost or 127.0.0.1 will be set as your host name. Okay. For testing Xampp whether we are working or perfect or not, you can see first we have to open the Xampp control panel. It will create an icon in your start folder when you check for Xampp. So see here Xampp control panel, which will open like this. So here you can find Apache and MySQL, which are showing that they are running. If they are running, automatically the localhost will work. Localhost will list out all the files whatever there in your htdocs folder, and that is PHP applications where PHP myadmin, this gives the database. Okay, so as I said you, PHP Xampp installation will give you the PHP to execute and MySQL for creating a database, and for execution of PHP applications, Apache server. These are the three things we will get by default when we install Xampp software. Okay, so for creating an application, you have to create a folder or a file in your htdocs file. Now just let me create a file with a name welcome in the htdocs folder. For if it is a PHP file, there is no compulsory that it has a PHP code in it, but if it is a PHP file, you have to include this code. This is the syntax of the PHP. Within the syntax itself, you have to write all the code. Echo is the basic statement of printing a line onto the screen. How to print is like this. Echo, I have written in between the double quotes as welcome to PHP. So now I am storing it in my htdocs folder. In that I am creating a new folder, basics. In this basics, I am creating this with the name of welcome. So now you can find that in your browser by just clicking the localhost. You can find a new folder which is not there previously, basics. Welcome .php, and you can find it has been created with an extension of .php because we have selected a PHP file at the time of creation itself. Otherwise, we have to save it with an extension of .php, then only the PHP code will be executed. So this is the base of PHP for creating or displaying anything onto the screen. So if you want to add any of the HTML tags, or if you want to style it, then you can add any of the HTML tags for this. HTML tags are also added in between the echo statement. Just now I am refreshing this. You can find the thing has been changed to H1 tag. As we have seen, this is the printing a string onto the screen using PHP. Thank you for giving this opportunity.